Welcome to my channel. If you need to keep your browsing separate for work, personal use, or different users, creating a new profile in Google Chrome is the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the drop-down menu, select Add. A new window will appear, allowing you to create a new profile. You can either sign in with a Google account to sync your data or continue without an account for a separate local profile. Give your profile a name and choose a color or an icon to help distinguish it from others. Once done, click Done. Our new profile is now ready to use. Each profile has its own bookmarks, history, and settings, making it easy to switch between them. And that's it. Adding a new profile in Chrome is a great way to keep your browsing organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.